Assembly of Term 2. In case you've forgotten, I'm Nellie, this is Thomas, Keely, Polly, Georgia, Mr. Conradi and Nat. We hope you had a fantastic break and it's great to see you guys all again.
Just remember to learn the goals of the fortnight and act on them throughout the time at school and home. Now I'll pass over to Georgia and Polly to talk about success criteria.
Remember to write the goals of the fortnight in your diary and somewhere in your classroom.
Please discuss your goals in your class.
Now I'd like to hand it over to Nat.
Hi guys, welcome back to Term 2. It's great to see so many students at school. I hope you had a great break. For some of you it has been longer than others, so I hope you're enjoying being back together and being back at school. The virtues for this week are good manners for reception to Year 3 and from 4 to Year 7, courage. But as always, we follow our Players Away language as well about treating others as we wish to be treated. And remember, we're all coming back together after a while away, so be patient with each other and be kind, and I hope you have a great couple of first weeks back.
Last fortnight's goal was compassion and bump it up wall. Now I'd like to pass it over to Mr. Conradi, who would like to elaborate.
I love looking around the rooms and I saw a lot of classes with bumped up walls. This week, some of the leaders and myself will be coming through your rooms. I'd love for some of the students to be able to tell us how they use the bumped up walls. I think compassion, all of us would agree, it's something that's needed at this time. We'd love you all to really display those skills, look after each other, be really positive and caring and understanding. As we go into this week, it's really timely for us to look at our literacy and numeracy goal. Each student needs a literacy and numeracy goal. You did have one last term. I hope you had the chance to review it to see if you were successful. I'd really encourage you to set your literacy and numeracy goal for this week. I'm going to ask the school leaders to set them this week and share theirs back next week. So I'm giving everyone the challenge out there. Have a look at your literacy and numeracy goals, set new ones for yourselves, make sure they're smarter targets if you can. That's a whole heap of talking from me, but again, it will encourage your teachers to talk with you about how you can actually do that. When the leaders come into your classroom, maybe share your literacy and numeracy goals. We'd love to be able to help you if we can. Okay, over to Thomas.
Have a good fortnight.